Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is June the 20th, 2018, and I wanted to give you a quick update on my cucumbers here. And we do have some that actually have the cucumbers on them now. Sorry about that, you can't see. Let me go to the other side. There we go. And you can see the cucumber hanging on them. And we have some other ones here. Now, I was kind of having an issue where they weren't going back to the fence that I have for them. They were going out towards the tomatoes, which is going to block our pathway, and that's not going to work. So what I did with this one here, probably about 5 days ago, something like that, I took some of this gardener's tape, I believe that's what they call it, from Miracle Grow. I'll put a link down below for it. And I put it around the plant at a joint where the plant was growing at. You can see under here where I tied it around at. I put it at a leaf joint and I tied it around, and I pulled it kind of tight, but not like tight because I didn't want to damage the cucumber and I didn't want to break the stem. I didn't want to damage the plant or break the stem. So I did give it like some slack and some play. I just kind of pulled it back a little bit. And you can see it is starting to grow back now for me. And it is starting to go for the fence. This isn't quite long enough to reach the fence yet, I don't think. Let's see here. No. It needs to go over just a little bit more before it can reach the fence. And then once your little tendrils can get at the fence, you can put them around the fence, or they'll grab a hold by themselves and they'll just start climbing for you. So this is the tender green burpless variety. This is the heirloom one. And I was out pollinating today, the flowers. And this one here is an early burpless variety. This one did start setting fruit on it. We have little cucumbers on it. I am working on pollinating these as well. And then this is the gateway hybrid here. And this one here is going for the fence, which is what they're supposed to be doing. And then, I'm trying to think, I believe it's right here, could be over here, we switched to the Market More 76. That's an heirloom. The Market More 76 is an heirloom variety. So these just started blooming. The Market More 76s and the Gateway hybrids just started blooming not too long ago. So I've been out pollinating these as well. Here you can see the Gateway hybrid one. That one has a cucumber. Now this flower here did not open yet. It's still coming. So I'll be watching for this one to open. So as soon as it does, I can start pollinating it. And your cucumbers will cross back and forth. So if you have like an heirloom variety that you want to save seeds from, you will have to isolate that variety, or you'll only just plant one. Just plant like one of them that year, and then plant your other ones the next year. So I want to show you this one here. I just seen how much this one here is growing. So this is one of the tender green cucumbers. And that one back there, the flower just closed up on it, I think yesterday. And we did get to pollinate that one. So when I'm ready to harvest these, I will come back with another video and I will show you how I harvest my cucumbers. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. I'll tell you when I put a new video on. Thank yous for watching and hope you have a nice day. Bye.